Welcome back, fuckers, to another video. Today is finally the day. I bought these high flow cats like 3 months ago, but today is finally the day. We're gonna bring the car in here, the garage. We're gonna install these high flow cats, and hopefully we get to tune here the car very shortly. I still gotta figure out the stock controls from the steering wheel. I'm gonna try to take that all out, try to see how I can plug it in and try to keep it, because that's how we're gonna switch maps and things like that. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and install these cats. Hopefully it's not too hard. I've been looking at a couple videos. Hopefully it's really easy. And we got some tools yesterday. We got the gaskets, we got everything, we got some new bolts, things like that. So we're gonna see how easy this is. We got the hardware, everything we need. We got some jacks, we got a whole full set of garage right here, empty, and we got our victim over there. So without further ado, let's bring the car in and let's see what we can do when switching off the cats. If you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining, or any sort of way that brought you pleasure, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you think you find anything useful or entertaining. And one thing I gotta say, guys, I just hope this process is easy. Probably the first time is the hardest because all the bolts are rusty and things like that, but hopefully the second time is a little bit easier to take off. And the reason I say second time is because when I go smog the car, I'm probably gonna end up putting my cats back on and like the intake and kind of making it back to stock so that I can go ahead and smog the car, have it pass. I'm not trying to pay like $400-500 just to have it dirty, legally smog. I think that's a lot of money. Hopefully we don't have to go that route. If we do, then I mean, it is what it is, but we're trying to see if this process can be easy so we can go ahead and smog it normally and not having to pay that much. Comment down below how you guys smog. For those of you guys who are tuned, the 85, like all that whole shebang, how do you guys smog your cars? I think that'd be or probably you guys get cheaper prices, or I don't know if you guys got the plug or anything like that, but I mean, it is what it is. All right, let's bring the car in. All right, guys, maybe I'm gonna try to see if I can bring my GoPro so I can show you guys better when I'm under there, because right now with this big camera it's probably not the best. But right now we just did something simple. We just took off the intake, very simple, some clamps and this bolt right here on the side. That's over there on the side already. And we're also gonna slap on the Z1 intake right there. We already put WD-40 about like an hour ago, so let's say kind of marinate, whatever word you want to use, so that the bolts can come off, but we'll see how hard it is. All right, guys, so first we're gonna remove this catalytic converter support. We got 4 bolts. I think they were 9/16. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 1, 2, the one that connects from the cats to the white pipe, and then we got 3. Got 1 bolt right there, another bolt over here, but the nut is on the other side, and then we got another bolt over there that we can't see, but we're gonna get through the top. We're having a little bit of trouble loosening up the bolts. Alright, guys, so here's the spiel right now. We got 2 strip nuts. We were able to remove one of the hard bolts here from the top. That's the only bolts we have removed so far. So right now we're gonna go to Harbor Freights, pick up the nuts extractor to take out all those strip bolts. Then we try taking the top ones off, and the freaking freaking socket broke. Legit just broke. This is not looking good. We're gonna see what happens. All right, guys, so the one that broke was from this set from Walmart, so you guys know how good it is. I guess it's good for basic stuff, but super hard stuff like the test pipes or like not gonna do it. My dad says Craftsman is a better brand. We're gonna see how it holds to these bolts, the demon bolts. The bolt is loose. Our extractor tool set, they're about 35 bucks for a set. I don't know how this stupid flower design gets it, but it does. And this is how you do it. All the damn ratchet, motherfucker. And then you bring a breaker bar, and then 3, 2, 1, you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And that's just how you take a strip bolt. The nuts is obviously gonna be stuck on there, so the way to take it out, just grab a hammer it out. You're all set. Got you guys. All right, guys, update. The white pipe bolts are all out. Right here, the O2 sensors are still on, but we took out both of this subframe. We took out both bolts, the right side and left side, the ones that were stripped, and they're over here. But look what the extractor did, man. freaking tore that thing apart. And now we took out one demon bolt off the cat. We still need 2 more bolts, and these still need 3 more. We're about to see if we can take 1 more out. I'm just checking to see if it's hooked on into the right bolt. See if we can break it loose. Pray to God it doesn't strip. Please, pray to God. Here we go. This is the Craftsman long socket, not the Walmart version, so hopefully it shouldn't break on us. Need to hit the gym a little bit more. I'm seeing to break it. Here we go. 3rd time's the charm. Okay, 2 things happened here. All right, we're gonna take out our 2nd bolt. Nice. Well done. High five. Alright guys, we're facing, the engine is here, facing the front. The right side of your car, you were able to get both bolts from the top. Both bolts were able to get from the top. But this left side, only one of them was able to get to the top. But the second one, this side right here, we were able to get that ratchet and then get like a breaker bar, and we broke that one loose. And then you could just take off the breaker bar and just use the regular wrench. And then we still have to remove 1 more. Like I said, 1 bolt we removed from this side right here. The other one we removed from the top. And this last one, which you can't see, but... And the way we're gonna do it is by using a long extension. Alright guys, it took a little bit of wiggling, but the cat is out. There it is, guys. It's out. Now basically all you gotta do is repeat the same thing on the other side, but I'm still gonna show you guys because I'm awesome like that. So let's get on to the other side. We're gonna give you an insight, see if I can show you guys how to take off the cat. This is already with all the bolts taken off and everything. Okay, here's one, very light. This, oh my god, I don't even know how to show you guys. This is not heavy enough. Let's see. Yeah, it's marking 0. We can get a reading for this one. This one definitely, I'm gonna say based on judgment, like 10, 15. No, this is like 20 pounds. Yep, right on the dot, 10 pounds. Está pesado, light, heavy? Más o menos. Okay, light. She said it's average, whatever. She's kind of buff. Okay. Alright, ahora recoge uno de esos. Oh yeah, está más pesado este. Mucho o poquito? Ah, ma, come on, you're not helping the case. You're not helping the case. She's hella buff. Alright guys, welcome back to day 2. This is just we're just gonna install the cats at this point. Guys, let's just get these installed. Back to the GoPro. Alright guys, we got our cats back. We got our cats on. We put this bolt. Put our hand. We just put the connection to the white pipe. This is nice and tight. Now we just gotta do the O2 sensors. And then we should be clear to go. There you go. These are the ones that the Z1 come from. This bitch is a, oh my god, I don't know. You have to press on this tab here in the back, right here. Super hard, man, super hard. And then you gotta pull at the same time, man. This thing is a this other one's also, because you can't really see it because it's on this little metal tab all the way up here. Get ground, but this one is basically this little tab right there. Not that one. That one's not really doing much, but this one right here in the front, that one's hooking up. And hopefully this goes in. I don't need no more troubles. Line this up a little bit. Now once you get down here, you kind of get familiar now. Like, of course these bolts are not going to be nearly as hard as when we just took them out. Like, that's why they call the demon bolts, because they're not replaced for like 100,000+ miles. They get rusty and they're super hard to freaking break loose, right? But these are obviously new, so next time around these are probably going to be 10 times easier. As a matter of fact, I could put the wrench through here, through the bottom. This bolt I took off through the top. You on top, yeah, that one on top. You could take both that one and this one here through the bottom, actually. The only reason you couldn't take them off through the bottom here is because you need a long bar, a breaker bar to fit in somewhere to break that shit loose. Because from here to the bottom, you're not gonna break that unless you're probably like the Big Show or like the Rock or something. And we officially have a full Z1 exhaust. Z1 high flow cats. We got the Z1 white pipe and the Z1 single exit. We're all set to go. We got the O2 sensors nice and buckled right here, 1 and 2, and then we should be good. All right, now we're gonna see. Hopefully we don't get no check engine light related to O2 sensors or anything like that. Hopefully, kind of just because the fact that we kind of mess with it. But we'll see. We're gonna do a cold startup right now, see if it's louder, we get any error message, I mean with the check engine, anything. Put the intake back on and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna lower the car down as of right now. Alright guys, we're all done and set with the installation. Now we're just basically gonna turn on the car, cold startup, see if anything's wrong. I mean, I should have tested it before. We got the cousin on. We got the cousin on call. He said I should have tested it before. He's probably right, but I make no mistakes, so we'll see. All right, we got the GoPro filming. We got the cousin, and then we got a car right here. Here we go. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sounds good. I want to say it sounds louder. I'm not really sure if I should drive this a lot, but we get definitely more pops. Ooh, those pops are kind of nice, not gonna lie. Making some sound though, and I'm not sure what it is, so we're gonna have to figure that out. We'll see. Alright guys, we went on a drive. It sounded, but I did hear that hissing sound. Every time you accelerate it to 3 to 4 RPMs, when it dies down, you kind of hear like that. Okay, I was driving it and my girlfriend, she was driving, she's like, what is that, a turbo? And I was like, right? But yeah, I don't know if you guys know anything about that. I'm looking at the forums and things like that, but if you guys know anything about that hissing sound, it's by the white pipe. That's what's weird. I installed my cats, no noise by the cats. We checked for leaks, no exhaust leaks, but the noise is coming from like the white pipe. I checked the brackets, I tightened up the bolts, everything, but it's still making it. So I'm not sure exactly what it is. The exhaust definitely does sound louder. It sounds even raspier. But yeah guys, let me know if you guys know what the problem with that is, or if there's a solution, or if that's just the way it is. Let me know down in the comment section below. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the journey that I went through with removing these cats. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys next video. Thanks for watching guys, peace.